is day 3, and it's time to be a pool boy. So we're on Shark Key. It's like a gated community. You can't come in here unless you have a specific code, but we get to come in because we're maintenance people, so that's fun. But yeah, I mean, it's just a beautiful view, beautiful everything. You just, oh man. Alright, it is lunchtime. We have hit about 6 pools now, which means 7 pools, 8. I don't know, we've been just doing pools for way too long. We got like 5 left. We're gonna go get some lunch, but just check out this. This is just so cool.
There's a lobster down there too.
Oh, word? Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. I wonder if it'll work or not. Freaking crazy. Best places to eat in the Keys. Five Brothers Cuban grocery food. Love this place. Got me a Cuban sandwich. We're ready. All right, after a really dank Cuban sandwich, it is time to get back into cleaning pools in the hot sun. Oh well. We're hot, and we're sweaty, and we're almost done. We got one more pool left. We're done. No more pools to clean today. All right, so after cleaning just way too many pools today, there's only one good way to relax, and it's to get in the pool with a beer. And we went to a trade show, which was fun. We got some free prime rib, which was lit, but we decided to come to this place, Geiger Key Marina. I used to come here all the time when I was a little kid. It's super off the beaten path, so it's like kind of a little secret local spot, so we're gonna check it out. just blowing off some steam in this well-lit pool. And we're checking out the weather. We want to kind of see, it's supposed to blow like 18 to 22 knots tomorrow, 2 to 4 foot seas, but we're kind of thinking we might just go out anyway. We're wondering, like, you know, may as well. Man, did we have a late morning. Oh, it's 11 o'clock already, but boy, did we need that. We're gonna get some breakfast, head out this place called Galley Grill. There's the wind. And then we're heading out on the boat. It's breezy today, so it's gonna be nice and bumpy, which, you know, always makes things fun. But hey, it's the Keys, so you can't beat it no matter what. So stuffed up, collecting up ice and beer and water, and we're heading out on the boat. Alright, y'all, hair's down and it's boat time. How much you can hear me, it's crazy windy, but we're anchored up and we're about to jump in the water. Diving for a while, and y'all have got to see this monster fish. Look at this. We're diving in like 4 feet of water or something. This is ridiculous. Look, so look at that thing. Look at that thing go. Huh? We're eating good tonight anyway. We're thinking we're gonna go hit Picnic Island now and drink a couple beers, hang out in the sun, just enjoy ourselves a little bit. At Little Palm Island, Picnic Island was pretty busy, but you can kind of see behind me, it's pretty crazy. The island got like just messed up during Irma, and if you can see behind me, yeah, they're still rebuilding. Like, it's been 2 years later, and the island's not open, the dock is not in one piece. In fact, it's non-existent, the dock doesn't exist. And yeah, so they're still rebuilding, it's been 2 years. I'm pretty sure like the whole island got wiped out. Absolutely beautiful out here on the water right now. We've got a boat pulling in behind us. We are on the sandbar at Little Palm. Don't know how much longer we're gonna be allowed to do this, because when Little Palm opens, I'm pretty sure they're gonna save this for their guests. This is like one of the most exclusive places to come and stay in the Keys. It's crazy. You cannot be under 18 or under 21, one of the two, when you come stay here. It's like very exclusive. There's a boat you gotta take to come out here. It's not attached to the land. It's pretty awesome. I've never actually been out here when it was a functional island. So that's definitely on my list of things to do at some point here. We got us a hogfish. We spent some time at an islands. Now it's time for a shower and to get all this damn salt water off. One thing you have to do living in the Keys is after you finish, you gotta spray the salt water down. Salt water is super corrosive, obviously. So if you don't, all your stuff goes bad real fast. But now that we're all desalted and changed, we're gonna go and fillet a fish or two. Here's the less fun part about fishing, is now you gotta go dump the fish guts. Alright, the last thing we have to do is cook the fish. So we're making ceviche, and then we're gonna pan fry some hogfish. Oh, it is finally time to feast, and what a freaking feast it is. Check this out, y'all. Yes. Cannot be fresh fish that you caught. Well, that Luke caught this morning. This afternoon. Oh my gosh. Alright folks, and that basically wraps us up for the trip. At this point, I am getting on a shuttle about 9:30 tomorrow and riding up to Fort Lauderdale. And then from there, getting back on a flight up to Asheville. So this kind of is the end of the trip. It's been 6 days down in the sun, cleaning pools, hanging out in Key West. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. We got out on the boat, got to go fishing. Just all around a good trip.